Hi there, how are you? Hope you're well. I am also well. So today I'll be showing you how to use Pure Aloe Vera gel from aloe vera leaves on your hair, and you can use it on your hair and also on your skin, but today I'll be showing you how to use it on your hair. So you start off by shampooing your hair. After you've shampooed your hair, you rinse it off and you'll apply it as a leave-in treatment, which you will rinse it off later. So you make sure that you have applied it from the roots of your hair to the tips of your hair thoroughly throughout your hair. Then you leave it to sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes before you rinse it off with only warm water. You don't need to rinse it off with a shampoo. So after you have rinsed it off, you can proceed with styling. You can do protective style, or you can do blow dry. You can blow dry your hair. So the reason as to why you should be using pure aloe vera on your hair is because it strengthens, moisturizes, conditions your hair. It also heals damaged scalp, soothes itchy scalp, reduces dandruff, and so much more. So you should get yourself